Hey, what is up, guys? And today, oh, that's me. I got a haircut. But today, it is Monday, and maybe you can see. Not really, I don't think, but it's snowing out, and we are gonna get 2 to 3 feet. Yeah. I shoveled the walkway because I'm bored. Yeah, I just want to make a quick video, and yeah, so it's gonna go Monday through Wednesday. I'll do a quick little minute every day, and we'll go outside in it. But that's what it is right now. I'm probably just gonna grab my shoes real quick and walk outside. And how to put on shoes. Just put on kick and it's on. But yeah, that is outside. Gotta put it up against the glass. Okay. So I'm gonna go outside real quick. Give me 1 second. This is my kitchen. Probably seen in some of my videos. I'm gonna get something. Nope, not in there. Crap, battery's on low. Where are the stupid plastic bags? In here. Where are they? Sand bags. Where would they be? Help. I have no clue where the sandwich bags are. Nope. Sorry about this. Okay, no. Will this even work? Let's just say I put it in a tub. Not in a tub. Straws. One of these. Camera fit. Oh, wait. That looks like crap. What about put it like this? Nope. Sorry about this part. Better? Whatever. So it's gonna be a bit foggy. You might not be able to hear me, but here we go. It's fog because of the Tupperware. It's cold. Trust me, it's cold. Don't worry, there'll be a video tomorrow. But we're going back in. Because I'm only in a t-shirt. But yeah, tomorrow I'll have a Ziploc bag ready or something. So it'll be better. Well, see you in the morning. Okay, so we are back. It is morning. Really sorry for the blur, but it's snowing. Shovels. That's how high the snow is. Sorry if you can't really hear me. It's in a bag. And you're probably all yelling at me. It's right in front of your face because after I looked at the video, I found it. Yeah, this is snow. I'm gonna go step in it because it is pretty deep. I am 4'10". Yes, I am short. I'm gonna go for a little walk, I guess. Look how big the snow is. Okay. It's, yeah, start carting. Yep. So, oh crap, I fell. Okay. Okay, so this is all the snow. Just walk around. So, I guess we'll go back inside. I'll pick up in the morning, and we'll see how much snow we got. Plow's been going all day. Yeah, so see you in the morning. Okay, so it is now Wednesday morning. The snow stopped. Let's see what the temperature is. Oh, no sound. Okay. Temperature is. Give me a second. Oh crap! Hold on. Whatever. If all you need to know is it's cold. Oh yeah, that is cold. I'm in a t-shirt. Probably shouldn't be doing this. That's the snow. It is up to my head. And I made a little kind of cave thing. Just walk around a little bit. Yeah, we got, 3 feet, I'm guessing. Because that's what it said. I don't know. Kind of looked, I don't know. But it is very cold out when I'm in a t-shirt. Got a bobcat that comes around. Well, guess we'll go back inside.